this chef. I'm not a professional chef. I just play one on TV or whatever device that you happen to be watching this on. And something's done, but that's not what we're working on today. What we're going to be working on today is a nice, tasty little meal, dinner, supper, whatever you want to call it, which is called chicken broccoli Orientale. So, let's get started. All right, so what you see here is what you're going to need. So you're going to need some cooked rice, a pound of chicken. This was 2 pounds originally. Some soy sauce, an onion, some green onions, you can a red or a green pepper, bell pepper. You need water. I always go for fresh filtered water, not tap. And a can of cream of broccoli. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut our chicken here into strips like that. Now we're going to go ahead and pour some oil here in our skillet. That might be a little too much. And we'll get this heated up here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cook this chicken here. Get this all nice and browned up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut our bell pepper into 1-inch square pieces, and our onion is going to be in 1-inch pieces. Like this right here. Doesn't have to be exactly 1 inch, but you know, get it somewhat like that. Our chicken's looking really good here, so we're going to go ahead and add our onions and our red pepper to this, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Now that you got this all nice and cooking with no pink inside that chicken, now we're going to go ahead and add our soup into that. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up here nice and good. And then we're going to go ahead and cover this. And we'll let this cook for a bit. Alright, we're all set to go. I'm going to go ahead and cover this up here. Turn down our heat down to low, and we'll let this cook for 5 minutes or so. So there you go. Really easy meal that you can put together for yourself. Doesn't take much, doesn't take long. A lot better than fast food, a lot better than box meals. So, hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time in my kitchen.